Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video we are going to be going over all 12 of my locations for their final collection for the month of September. I will show you how much each machine made. If you like this kind of vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day. Greetings everyone. Here we are going to be doing a collection for 12 machines. Up first is my warehouse location. Did have a slow week. It happens. It's part of business. Let's see how well it did. Got a little bit of change there. Hope everyone's having a great day. The machine did $20.95 for the week, $152 for the month. We'll go ahead and get heading over to the senior retirement home. Up first is going to be the soda machine. As you can see, there was a lot of sold out coils in the snack machine there. You'll see what it looks like here in a minute. Not too bad on the change. These machines tend to do more in the credit card sales department. The machine did $43 for the week, $220 for the month. Stay all the way to the end. I'll give you the full total of all the machines for the month of September. Snack machine, after I got it restocked, look how much better it looks. I'll be getting some more Hershey's bars here soon. It's got plenty of change. This machine does a lot of credit card sales. So let's see how it did for the cash. For the week, it did $90.40. For the month, it did $498. Cannot complain with that there. Nice little stack, get it all fanned out. Gonna go ahead and head on to the claw machine next. This is at the Boba Tea shop. Came back a few days later and gave it a restock. See how well it does. Waterfall there. They do like using the cash on this one. And cards. Part of my card reader, the wire gets stuck. I'll clear it out. Let's see how the cash did. Cha-ching. Nice stack there. We'll go ahead and see that's $181.50 for the week and $1,261 for the month. Not a bad month for this machine. Up next, we're going to head to my hotel location. Got the machine all restocked. Got change this week in it, so I'm definitely happy. Nice little quarter waterfall. Leave a quarter behind like always. Let's see how it did on the cash. Didn't do too bad. It did $65 for this week, $421 for the month. Get that fanned out there. There's a nice bit of fives. No complaints there. Next, we're going to go downstairs to the big snack machine. Got it all restocked. Now we're going to do a collection for 1 week from it. Little bit of change. Gets a lot of dollar bills. The machine did $41.45 for the week, $183.75 for the month. Up next is my USI CB300 behind it. It did have a slow week. It had a bill jam, so I'm going to be ordering an MEI validator for this to get rid of the bill jam issue. So it did not have a good week. It did $10.75 for the week and $68 for the month. These CoinCo validators are giving me more and more issues. This is why this is my last machine with it, and soon I will not have any more of them at all. Up next is my Dixie Narco 500 can machine at a mobile home park. Hope everyone's having a great week. If you're looking for more vending related content, check out my buddies down in the description. They're also giving away a Cube Factory claw machine. Next Wednesday is the big day on the 11th. Go ahead and get the lucky quarter back in there. The machine did $75.25 for the week, $608 for the month. Not bad. Definitely no complaints there. Up next, we got my Hooters location. We'll go ahead and get down here and get it collected. This machine is very popular and the restaurant loves it. So do all the customers. Up first, we're going to do the change. Lock was giving me a little bit of trouble. It's got a little bit of change. It got tipped over, but it's getting secured to the wall here in the next couple of days. Little bit of a silver waterfall there. We'll go ahead and get it loaded back up. In the cash box, look at that stack. We did $170 on this collection. Did $1,261 for the month. Definitely cannot complain with that between cash and credit cards. Providing great customer service is a key part of this business, and it'll get you more business throughout the day. Get everything locked back up, and we'll head on to the next location. Forgot to reset my credit card reader. That happened, so it'll take me just a second to reset this. On to my next machine. This is my Vendo 475 machine I have at another mobile home park. I got this machine for free, but I put about $300 into the machine to get it to where I want it to be, and it is a good performing machine for me now. Takes all forms of payments. Had a broken coin slot, but I did repair it, so now the coins are flowing again. Machine did $75.25 for the week, $271.50 for the month. Cannot complain. Check out the Howard Hospitality Group every Wednesday. There is a live stream with us and all of our friends. Up next is my 320 can machine. It's all restocked. We'll go ahead and get collecting on this. Get the door held in place. Decent amount of change there. Get a quarter waterfall going in here. Leave my red lucky quarter in there. Did $53 for the week, $278.75 for the month. This machine is starting to pick up more on the credit card side, so I'm definitely happy with that. On to my final machine. This is my USI CB6 machine. I am in the process of putting a credit card reader on this old machine using a micromech to MDB converter. As you saw it there, those are available on DNS Vending. Nice stack of change there. We'll get its lucky quarter back in the bucket. Did $47.50 for the week, $243.75 for the month. Grand total for all 12 machines is $5,268. Definitely cannot complain about those numbers for a month. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day.